Welcome to Side Hustle Finance.
Most people don't plan their finances, and that's why they struggle later in life.
Financial planning decides whether your future is stressful or secure.
Financial planning means managing your money today for a better tomorrow. First, know exactly how much you earn and where your money goes.
Most people overspend without realizing it.
An emergency fund protects you from unexpected expenses.
High-interest debt is the biggest enemy of your future. Debt balance decreasing, progress bar going down. Pay off credit cards and personal loans as fast as possible. Investing early gives your money time to grow. In the U.S., retirement accounts and index funds are powerful tools.
Clear financial goals give your money a purpose.
Balance short-term needs with long-term success.
Side hustles increase income and speed up financial freedom.
Relying on one income is risky.
Future planning is about freedom, not restriction. The biggest mistake is doing nothing.
Subscribe for smart money, saving, and side hustle tips.